everyone. You know how your 5 p.m. chai or coffee begs for something small, delicious to eat? A fruit never quite cuts it. You want something which helps you tide over that 5 p.m. hunger without being too heavy, without adding too many calories, without making you feel bad about eating something really heavy. So I'm hoping that what we're reviewing today may give you an alternative for your 5 p.m. Chai accompaniment. Hi Divya.
Hi Tanu. Hi everyone. So today there's an interesting product that we have. It's by KetoFi and these are Choco Fudge cookies. Now KetoFi is the brainchild of a Gurgaon based nutritional startup and their main principle is to come up with a line of products that are based on the keto diet. So everything is very low on carbs and extremely low in their glycemic index, are made with all natural ingredients and are focused on holistic health of a person. So they have a wide range of products like snacks, flours, mixes, beverages like tea and coffee. And these products are not just great for people who are following the keto diet. Of course, that goes without saying. But KetoFi actually recommends that these products are also great for people who are diabetic or have any health issues, are on a weight loss diet, or even thyroid. So, all in all, I think it sounds fantastic.
Yeah, and we'll tell you more about those products when we review them. But for today, it's the Choco Fudge cookies. I'll tell you what they are made of. What I totally like is that the first ingredient on the list of ingredients is watermelon seeds. So you know that it's been used in the maximum quantity as compared to all the others. It uses cocoa and cocoa butter. There's a whole lot of seeds actually. Sunflower seeds, there are chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, even a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. If you speak of the calories, two of these cookies, let me show you, I have some here in the bowl. Two of these cookies, really bite-sized, coin-sized cookies, contain 68 calories, which is true to the whole keto diet regime, right? That it has to be low in calories and a certain amount of good quality fats have to be used. For all the nutritionists out there, they'll be happy to know that it also has 6.1% iron and 1.2% calcium in one serving, which is two cookies. So not all empty calories. And how do they taste? Let's tell you, let's taste and tell. Divya?
I actually couldn't wait, so I've had a little
Oh,
try.
you have? Okay.
They smell delicious. They have a lovely smell to it.
You know, firstly, the moment you eat, you take a small bite. It's a nice, cool sort of a feeling.
Yeah. I feel that too.
It's texture wise, so these are not crispy and crumbly, right? They don't sort of crumble and fall everywhere. And yet it's got a very, very visible, palpable bite. These are not thin and wafery. You feel like you've actually eaten something. As far as the flavor is concerned, I think anyone with a love for dark chocolates, bitter chocolates, will really like it. How do you like them, Divya?
So I love dark chocolates, and I think what I really like about these cookies is that the cocoa that you get, I feel is a very, I'm sure it's a very high quality cocoa that they've used because it's so intense on the palate, and I also
it
feel
says rich cocoa here.
Yeah, so no surprises there, but I also feel that it's an interesting change from the regular chocolates that we always eat, yet a cookie and how you have like how cookies are, so it's a very different from what a cookie is. So very rich and intense, like I said, and doesn't feel too heavy, which is something that I also like.
Yeah.
Doesn't crumble down into pieces, so that sometimes really puts me off. And oh my god, it would be so good to go with a cup of coffee, because again, the cocoa.
Which I have here.
Yeah.
Which
So
I
I'm
have
sure.
here.
So what do you have to say,
And I can
Tanu?
tell you it goes really well.
I am sure. Now I'm missing my cup of coffee. So I really like it. I think it would be such a good, like a midnight snack. And I'm a person who's always hungry at midnight, and I'm always looking for things. And you end up picking up nuts or some seeds or a cookie.
Right.
But this is like that perfect sort of in between, like a balance of things. And
True.
another thing that I quite like about it is that the sweetness is not too much.
There. It's almost non-existent.
Yeah, it's almost exactly, almost non-existent. But a person like me, like I would put it somewhere in the category of a 90% sugar-free chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate,
Right. Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely.
So that's me.
Interestingly, this also has no gluten. So it has no maida. It has no gluten, wheat or wheat-related products. It's essentially made from a whole lot of these seeds. It's got a binding agent, of course. It's also got a dal. It's got that dal makhani wali dal used as
The
one
black
of the ingredients.
urad dal. Oh, lovely.
Yes, and most of the sources of fat that I can see are cocoa butter. There's rice bran oil. There's natural vanilla extracts, baking powder. So I think the list of ingredients does justice, and the calories that you get out of each serving does sort of do great justice to the fact that this is a keto product.
Right.
Like all keto products, this is not cheap.
Yeah.
This is not something. So this pack, which has 20 of these small disc shaped, let me show you what exactly the size is like. On a palm, this is how big it will look. 20 of these will cost you 299 rupees. So that's not particularly cheap, where you get these entire stack of biscuits for 25, 30, 40 rupees. This is a premium product. It's meant for people who are trying out a fancy diet like keto. But if you are on that diet, or if you are looking for something which is ultra low on calories, as the pack says, and very low on sugar as well, you could opt for this. I think I really like them, and I'm actually ready to give Mishris now, Divya, if you are.
Yes. So what do you think?
Okay. Sorry, I had to get that last bite. I think
Choco fudge cookies by KetoFi. How many Mishris?
5 Mishris.
Oh wow, 5 on 5.
Are you sure? Yeah, we're not going overboard here, guys. This is for a specific market.
Yeah, it is.
Obviously, you can't compare this to regular cookies. It's very close to what you would find in homemade keto cookies. If there are people out there who home bakers who do this. So even the price range is the same, and yet you get this in this sort of resealable pack, which does provide a fair amount of convenience. So I would give it 4.5 to 5 Mishris is good for this.
And I think I just want to add that I think it's completely justified, the Mishris that you've given. I personally appreciate brands who come up with innovative products. So for the innovation, definitely.
Yes.
Also, 3 months of shelf life, so it can go on for a while. So 3 months, they won't even last for a month. Forget about 3 months, because they're pretty yummy. So 5 Mishris for this lovely product, absolutely justified.
Yeah, and so we bought these from Amazon. We get all our sampling products, most of them from Amazon. You will find a link in the post below to click and buy it if you want. But they may not be available everywhere right now. But if you want to try it for something which is a 3-month shelf life, I think it's a good try.
Yes.
I'm actually very happy that there are these kind of products now, and that we can review and share our experiences about.
Exactly.
So yeah, yes.
Yeah, so let us know what you thought of this review, the product, if you've tried Ketofy, any other products that you would like us to try, anything
Yes.
that's unusual, different out there that you would like us to try, please mention in the comments below, and we would be more than happy to come back with more reviews, honest reviews, and always credible reviews. Thank you so
Credible
much.
and honest. Yeah,
Always.
and totally based on our reviews,
Yes.
our experiences.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, guys, take care. Bye now.
Bye.